Good evening, friends. The first day of the AV Web Navigator on a paid plan. I hope everything went according to plan. We will do this fast today. So I have obviously gone into replay with the closing at the Friday's closing. Let's proceed bar by bar. Okay. So today Nifty basically gapped down by 200 points. We closed somewhere around 250. We opened at 280 or something. In the first 5 minutes, we were down to 24,050. So straight 200 point down. Now there's a very simple rule. If there's a gap up or a gap down in the market on how to tackle it. The rule is wait for the first 15 minutes. Don't do anything in the first 15 minutes. Then what you do is mark the high of the first 15 minutes, highest high. Also mark the low of the first 15 minutes. Say somewhere around here. After that, if the market or Nifty breaks the first 15-minute lowest low and trades there, then only think of a short. Otherwise, 200 points down means it's over 1% on the index. Normally, unless there's a massive negative news incoming, market doesn't fall continuously through that. You will always get a bounce and probably a reversal or something else. So let us see how this proceeds. Nothing happens. Okay, here we are getting I'm ignoring this gamma burst in the morning because of this gap down and stuff. So here we are getting a bullish signal from the OCA, but your vol quant is still red. So I don't have a trade. Nothing matches. Obviously the higher AV is so high. So I'm just getting this bullish, so it is not a trade. Let us proceed. Okay, we get up A-type buy on this particular bar. Okay, and when I'm getting a buy on this bar, your OCA, okay, let me just, remove this. Your option chain analyzer is strongly bullish and going up, so your option chain is also bullish. Your vol quant from red has come into neutral. There's no signal from vol quant. So a buy signal with OCA support. I go out and buy somewhere around 24,120. My target is 24,207. Let us proceed. I get another buy out here, but one of my buys is already being continued. So I'm ignoring this buy. This signal is going on. Now what happens is, on this bar, we are hitting this level. That is 24,173. My target is 24,207. But I will not wait for 24,207. I will get out at 24,173. The simple reason being, I have the daily range plotted out here, which is showing the highest level or the upper range for today at somewhere around 24,173. This is the low. So when it hits this, from here market has gone up so far. This level was like 2444 and this is like 24,185. So it's like 145 points, 150 points market is running up. So there's a chance that there will be a selling coming out from here. And as such, if I bought at somewhere around here at 122 and I'm getting at 170, it's like 173. It's like 50 points in this particular trade. So I will get out of the trade. See what happens? Selling comes from there. Now we'll wait for another signal, either on the AV or on the vol quant. I get a signal on the AV. So I buy somewhere around 24,150. My stop loss is 24,104. Target is 210. But I remember that this upper level is here at 24,172, 173. So if the market goes up and hits like 172, 175, I will take profit once. Here you get your hit till 180. So you bought this at somewhere around 150, you got till 180. This is a 30-point trade. Again, I book my profits. I'm again waiting for a signal. Okay, now this has started becoming green. Now, when I'm trading out here, if you notice this place, we hit the upper level out here, again out here, again out here, again out here. So the resistance of the upper level is continuously getting hit. Very basic of supported resistance. If a resistance get hit multiple times, the next time it gets hit, it generally breaks. So markets are not actually selling off from here, correct? So it is bullish. Option chain analyzer also showing you that we are extremely bullish. Let us see. Okay, now we get a buy signal out here. So this is a buy signal from Volquant. The Vol's code is still above 0, so you can take the trade. The option chain analyzer is bullish, so I take the trade. I take the trade at the opening of the next bar. 24,164. What is my stop loss? The middle yellow line. In fact, you don't have to look at the yellow line. If you're buying at 24,166, the mid AVWAP is 24,137. So around 30 point stop loss. So mid AVWAP is always your stop loss. So I keep a stop loss of 137. Let us see. Market is going up. Option chain analyzer is going up straight. Strongly bullish, strongly bullish. I don't have any panic out here. I hold the trade. Okay. In this bar, see from here, Nifty from 227 went up to 295, right? So this is like a kind of 65, 70 point, almost a 70 point move on a single bar. And we try for 70 points in the whole day. So when this happens, I see this Volquant is already coming down and it is giving me a cross. You see this? It happened mid-bar. So this is where I exit around 24,267. Where did I buy? I bought at the opening of, this was my buy signal. So the next bar opening. So I bought at 160. I got out at 264, 265. So 105 points. So this trade gave me profits. This trade gave me profit. This trade also gave me profit. 3 trades are at a profit. Ideally, if you are a day trader, you should shut down your terminal and go home at this point of time. You had enough for a day. If you proceed, I'm again waiting for a buy signal. It should either come from the AVWAP or from the Volquant. Yeah. This is your buy signal. So I buy out here 22,227 because this is a buy signal. This is your stop loss. OCA is bullish and stuff. Your target is actually 284. Until here, Nifty actually goes up to 271. So I am for 274, it goes up. So 284 is 10 points. So if I'm waiting for 284 from 274, if it comes down, I said, boss, enough is enough. Please get out. And this also actually enters into congestion territory. So Nifty is probably not going to move around. And by this time, we are almost at 3 p.m. So these were the trades for today. Pretty easy if you followed the rules. And if you saw the gap down in the morning and got panicked and tried to sell, you are actually trading against the system. Please remember the rule which I taught you about a gap up or a gap down. It will help you in different markets where you will have a gap against you or for you or whatever, right? So this was the trade for the day. Hope everyone enjoyed this. Let's see tomorrow. And tomorrow after post market, we will again meet and I will again analyze the markets. Thank you. Best of luck.